after got my exhaust kit installed, these turn out to be like extra parts that were not needed. I don't know why. It turns out when oh yeah, these are the tips. They can put these on, unfortunately. So because of the way the aftermarket exhaust fit into the back of the bumper, they could not put the tips on there. So I have to go back to the muffler shop and have them do it over. Not do the exhaust over, but they have to cut some of the exhaust and weld some of it apart together so everything fits in nice. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what the exhaust look like, guys. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, they couldn't see the way, because this thing is touching my back bumper. That's why they couldn't put the tips on there. So I have to take it back to the shop, and then they gotta cut some of this stuff off and somehow straighten this out so they could put the tip on there. Yeah, but here's the full exhaust kit, guys. It's freaking badass. I like it. It goes all the way to the back. It's freaking awesome. It sounds so freaking badass. Stainless steel. There it is, guys.
Wanna play?
Oh shit. You guys know what those things are called? The rusted ones up there, where the new muffler meets the old one. If you guys can comment below and tell me what they are, so I can have them replaced, because they're not looking too good also right now. So I need that replaced. There you go, guys. Freaking brand new exhaust kit, stainless steel. Damn, look at this. Look how mean that is. Look how big those tubes are, guys. Freaking big ass tubes. I will start it up here in a bit so you guys can hear how mean it sounds. Goes all the way over there. It kind of got dirty. I don't know why this is. What's the purpose of this? Why is it like that? I don't know. I don't know what's that supposed to be. I got this kit from Amazon. It was not cheap, guys. plus the labor of having it professionally installed. It's not cheap. Oh, okay. Let me start the car. Alright guys, I'm gonna start the car now. I had to take the jacks off. Put it here so you guys can hear. There you guys have it. Oh, and by the way, I finally got a chance to go up to a discount tire and finally get some low profile tires for my 20-inch rims. The tires they won't have the tires till like Wednesday, so they said they're gonna give me a call when they get in and drive up there. Now my 20-inch rim installed. Too bad I don't have them, can't put them on today because tomorrow is the car show, and I mean not tomorrow but Sunday, and I gotta clean the car, vacuum it, and get it ready for the car show. And they're giving out all kinds of rewards. Hopefully I win something, I don't know.
Show my speakers, my radio.
This is my little brother's Subaru Legacy. Dang! Oh yeah, I'm also gonna install a sound system in this trunk. We put this in. I put the shark fins and stuff on there.
Sure.
I installed some. Oh, look at that, guys! Look at that Subaru. I installed some LEDs in this car. I put those LEDs in there for him, guys. I'm gonna put some more in the inside, you know, under the dashboard. He's got two 12s. More LEDs. There's my toys. Well, that's it, guys. I gotta vacuum the inside, get it ready for the car show. Alright guys, peace out. Next time the next time I do another vlog would be, I would have these tips on there and welded on there properly the way they're supposed to, and I think I'm just gonna throw these away. I don't need them. If you want them, if you guys want them, just comment below. Then after, I'll save them and, I don't know, mail them to you guys or throw them out your window or something. Peace.